Hi, everyone. I'm here to go over the RemiPBX Desktop App Do Not Disturb function. If you don't have the RemiPBX Desktop application and you'd like to have that on your computer, your laptop, to help enable you to work from wherever you are, feel free to send us an email to support@remipbx.com and we'll get working on that for you. So for the folks that do have it, we wanted to show you this handy feature, which is over here on the left. It's this cute little moon. If you click on that, boom, do not disturb was turned on. What does it mean? Well, it means if someone tries to call you, you're not going to see it here within this application. It's not going to ring. And that might be useful if you're on a call, a Zoom call or something like that, Teams chat, if you just are trying to focus on your work. However, it will still ring on your mobile application. It will still ring on your telephone sitting on your desk. And the only way to get those other items to also be on Do Not Disturb is you have to individually go to each of those and put on your Do Not Disturb function. Now, here's the most important part of all this is remember to shut it off. And all you have to do is go over and click on that Do Not Disturb, and it will give you that little alert that you just saw that Do Not Disturb was turned off. And that way you can continue business as usual. So again, very simple. Click of a button, on, off. And remember, this is independent of your other applications with RemiPBX. So if you want to also have Do Not Disturb on your mobile app, you've got to go in. You can follow instructions that we provided to you or give us a shout out. We're happy to walk you through it to make sure that those are also off. But again, you've got to remember to turn those back on. All right. Thanks, everybody. And we will see you next time.